Welcome to Braylen AV. Today we'll list 12 millionaire income streams. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Sell music, photos and art. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to combine earning money with doing what you love? As an artist, you have a lot of options for how to make money from your work. Give yourself the freedom to be your own boss, and spend your days doing what you enjoy. And it doesn't take much money to get started, and has the potential to generate millions. It doesn't matter if you're a photographer, graphic designer, calligrapher, or artist. Remember that consistency and perseverance is the key to success. Number 2. Dividend-paying stocks. For investors searching for passive income, dividend stocks might be a fantastic option. They regularly provide investors a share of the company's earnings. The top stocks grow their payouts over time, so that investors may establish a cash stream likened to an annuity. Investors can also opt to reinvest dividends if they don't need the stream of income. Your return on investment can be significantly increased by reinvesting those dividends. Number 3. Blogging. Blogging is a low-cost business venture, with the potential to generate thousands or millions of dollars every month. Start by picking a lucrative topic, creating an email list, and promoting affiliate items. If consumers choose to buy after reading your advice, you might earn thousands of dollars each month. Blogging has endless financial possibilities. Number 4. Investing for the long term. One of the best strategies to amass wealth is to invest for the long term. But the first step is to develop those thinking skills, and stop excessively tracking the daily ups and downs of the market. Reach out to a successful financial advisor if you want to begin long-term investing. Number 5. Entrepreneurs. Millionaires come from a wide range of professions. In an infinite number of business industries, wealth is conceivable. The wealthy choose a company with cheap overhead and high profit potential. This applies to thousands of different enterprises and sectors. Avoid investing in companies with significant operational costs, unless you have access to outside capital. By establishing wise financial practices in both their professional and home life, is how the rich became successful. Number 6. Subscription services. Customers are charged a recurring fee that is handled on a regular basis, under a subscription revenue model. Recurring income is based on developing long-term connections with clients who will pay on a monthly basis for access to the good or service. The ability of subscription income to rise exponentially over time is what makes it so desirable. Revenue increases with each new subscription as opposed to being the same month to month. It tends to increase exponentially, as long as blogs add subscribers at a quicker rate than they lose them. Number 7. Sell advertising space on a website. One of the simplest methods to earn money online utilizing a website, is to sell advertising space. By selling advertising on their websites, publishers have a great chance to make money and receive passive income from their readers. There is no doubt that website owners may earn a sizable income. Many publishers are interested in learning how to start raising the amount of money their website brings in each month. Whether they already have a website or need some ideas to get one up and running. Make it easy for marketers to sign up, and begin purchasing your ad space. Number 8. Forex trading. Through foreign exchange, investors may trade practically any currency in the world. You should be aware that you are assuming a speculative risk in order to profit in Forex. Essentially, you are placing a wager that one currency will appreciate in value relative to another. The predicted return of currency trading is lower than that of equities or bonds, and is comparable to the money market. Leverage, however, has the potential to raise both profits and risk. Active traders often make more money from currency trading than passive investors. Number 9. Buy a franchise. Although franchising has a wide range of advantages, the main objective is profitability, just like in every company enterprise. In essence, a franchise is a ready-made company. You receive the merchandise and training from the franchisor, the business that awards the franchise. You might concentrate your efforts as a franchisee on a field that appeals to you. There are franchises in every industry. Number 10. Own commodities. The market tracks commodity futures and spots prices the same way it does other assets. By purchasing commodities, or derivatives of commodities, at a specific price and then selling them for a higher price, traders can profit. If the future market price is higher than the current price of the commodity at the time of purchase, the buyer of a futures contract will profit. Number 11. Email marketing. By upselling your goods or services, you may use email marketing to generate extra income. This is a common technique where you cleverly convince your consumer to make a second purchase. Of all marketing channels, email marketing has the greatest conversion rates. Additionally, email transactions are 3 times more lucrative than social media transactions. Find a product or service to sell, whether it is tangible or digital. Making money with your email marketing efforts will be very difficult, if not outright impossible, without a product to advertise. Number 12. A wellness company. The wellness sector is currently worth $4.5 trillion and is expanding at a historically high rate. A wonderful career is in wellness counseling. With so many potential sources of income open to you as a wellness coach, you'll need to employ technologies that help manage your business as smoothly as possible so you can devote the bulk of your time to your customers. And for sticking around, we have a bonus for you. Number 13. Real estate. Real estate appreciation, a rise in the property's value that is recognized when you sell, is the most typical technique to generate money in the industry. The main factors influencing the value of residential and commercial real estate are location, development, and upgrades. The value of a property may rise over time as a result of inflation. Rents for both residential and commercial properties can provide revenue for you, and businesses may also pay you royalties on undeveloped property. Do you desire wealth? You ought to have a minimum of 3 revenue streams, in our opinion. Start constructing them now. Assets are the source of all income, including rental income, royalties, dividends, interest, and capital gains, both short and long-term investing. Gather all of your revenue streams before deciding where to invest next for wealth creation. Acquire assets that will eventually provide passive income. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have more wealth building videos for you.